What's up everybody and welcome back to the channel. If you didn't already check out Mike, Nick, or Jack's video, they did mention the call out on April 29th. We will be there. Fran is planning on bringing the 01 and the race car, so look forward to some gappage at the track. Also, for those of you who want to get some of our merchandise before the call out, I created a coupon code call out so you can get 10% off all of our merchandise on our website up until the call out. We will also have merchandise there. We're gonna set up a booth and everything there so you can purchase t-shirts, license plate frames, all that good stuff at the track. But if you wanna get it beforehand, go online, raceprimotorsports.com. That's it for now. Let's get the episode started.
Look at Bill doing work.
Somebody has to.
Seriously. Damn, look at all these 5-inch intakes going out.
You just say, damn.
I did just say damn. These are all the ZL1 ones, right? CTSV's already out.
Yeah. There's 9 ZL1s on order.
Nice.
They'll go out today.
Sweet. Gotta have that green filter, Bill.
Hey man, they're worth, I don't know how many horsepower. But the internet likes to do photos.
All of the horsepowers.
All of the horsepower.
Sweet. I'll get it, Dad. Hang on. There you go, buddy.
Thanks, son.
What you doing?
Doing pulley, upper pulley, injectors,
Solid isolator.
solid isolator, headers, Cook's headers, clutch.
Okay.
Probably missing something somewhere. Oh, springs.
Sweet. No throttle body or anything?
Nah. Nope, he's already got a intake on it, so. he's
Needs a
wanting that.
5-inch intake. Just saying.
I think so.
I think so.
I mean, we're only doing 9 of them at the moment.
Right.
But
Probably pick up like 20. A lot of shiny stuff on here.
it is. So you doing anything fun this weekend? Now that all the snow's gone, that just got here yesterday?
No. Go to my niece's 2nd birthday. That's about it. What about you, Tyler? Go to another buffet? Another
Actually,
buffet?
no.
No more buffets?
Not this weekend.
Oh, man.
Getting too fat. Gotta skinny up a little bit more.
You went to Shady Maple, what, twice?
It was like a month in between.
Dude. That's frequent.
Hey, whatever.
I do love that place.
I want to go for breakfast.
Yeah, oh, you have to. We used to do it before high school all the time. Come in late. Where were you guys? Breakfast?
You're such a badass.
Hey, Peanut Gallery. Shut up. He always wants to chime in when I'm over here, but when I'm over there filming him, he doesn't want to do anything. I find that very ironic.
Because he's not on the camera over here. It's just his voice is.
Yeah, he wants to chime in and say shit. Ultimate talker. See? Case in point.
I don't know. I think both of you got even.
Hey, I didn't ask you.
I don't care. You're filming me. You get my opinion anyway.
It's not very nice.
I don't care.
I knew you.
Fire me.
You're fired. Much better. You done yet?
Nope. See if you can guess what this is.
Okay.
We pulled the air intake off this that was made by not us or not ProCharger. And see inside the blower? Feel it. See if you. Eric thought it was oil at first glance, but.
It's rubber.
Yep. Okay, so now where would you look? There's your air intake. What do you think's happening?
One of the fucking elbows or something? Oh, what the f is that?
Whoever made his air intake used a fucking $3 coupler so that when this thing makes a bunch of boost, it's sucking the air intake in like this, and that is hitting the fucking bolt on the blower, and it's causing it to melt.
Holy shit.
So yes, that is rubber. I felt it. I'm like, dude, it feels like rubber.
That's rubber.
And then I felt this, and so it's at wide open throttle, it's probably sucking this in, and it's sucking it all the way into the blower.
Nice.
Thankfully, we caught that. It's not fucked up, you know, it was only hitting the bolt, so it's just melted rubber in there. We got to get it out, but it's not like it sucked the coupler in.
Nice.
Yeah. Don't use Home Depot
What is it?
couplers. I don't fucking know. Made in USA. That's a surprise.
Wow.
It looks like it was pinched on something, but
yeah.
oh yeah, it's good.
Damn. Yeah, that's literally the impression.
It's the impression of the bolt.
Every time we take something apart, it's like, what's tomorrow now? You know?
That's a pretty good catch.
Well, I took it off and I'm like, oh,
He
there's
said it, and
oil.
I was standing here,
I'm
and
like,
I
oh,
felt
check out
it.
inside that blower. I thought it was oil, and he went and put his finger there, and he's like, that ain't oil.
Yeah, I was like, that is not oil. I was like, that looks like. It feels
It
like.
definitely felt like rubber.
Yeah, I was like, it
You
feels
didn't
like.
tell me, and I guessed rubber.
Yeah, I
so.
was like, it feels like rubber. Well, we'll have to put a non-$3 coupler on there.
Yeah, Bill's ordering the ProCharger intake.
Yeah.
ProCharger uses plastic, don't they?
Yeah,
Yeah, ProChargers use plastic.
you gotta notch the
More
fan
than likely
here.
for that reason.
Yeah.
Notch the fan here, and then it'll fit with the way it is. So.
Oh, is that probably why they didn't use their ProCharger's air intake?
I don't know. I mean, maybe. Or I personally like the intakes that go that way too, because then you can put them.
Yeah, but they won't work with a 94.
I know.
Regular F1A and down,
I know.
they use the blower, the air intake that goes to the stock air box, but with an F1A 94 and up, the blower is
Sits out
wider,
further,
so it sits
yeah.
out further, so it has to go this way.
So weird seeing the unfinished.
I know.
Blower.
I know. Well, this was unfinished too, but we just had
we
that
just
powder
swapped that
coated.
out. This is the one we
should
just
do
did a
the
fuel
throttle
system
buddy
on.
too. Yeah,
And now it's getting a cam.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, we can do that.
So, yeah, the other shop did the ProCharger. We swapped that out and did a fuel system.
It came here with 300 miles on it.
I know.
Yeah,
300.
that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, 300 miles. I don't know how many is on there now.
He drags the shit out of it.
He races it pretty good. It went like 990 at 141 after we did it. And it was just basically had headers and the ProCharger on like whatever tires those are, the 19s or something.
It's not bad.
No, it's pretty good.
Yeah, we just did a fuel system.
Yeah, so we did a fuel system, and now we got to do a cam because we need a bigger fuel load on the cam because it's out of fuel with the stock load.
Good job. It's loud.
It's not quiet.
Yeah. So this is the Ohio car that had the LPE setup 630.
Yep.
Baseline 544.
Yep.
Now we did our heads cam. Still
Yep.
kept his Mamo MSD.
Yeah, we literally just did our heads and cam.
Yeah. Kept all the exhaust stuff.
Yep, changed nothing.
Ported throttle body.
Sure.
Yeah, it does. I looked at it. I was like, oh, that's a ported one.
Spade.
Ported stock throttle body.
622.
That's really good.
531 torque.
Nice.
Not bad.
No. It's right on par.
Yep.
Probably pick up a little bit from a Nick Williams.
Sure. Fiver,
Yeah. Fiber.
niner.
Maybe 7.
I just meant a niner.
Not bad.
No.
How many miles are on this thing? It's super clean.
38,000.
Wow. It's about the norm, but really clean.
It is pretty clean.
Oh, what a nice guy. Man.
I don't know.
He knows I'm going to do it anyway, so he'd rather...
Would have been simple.
which Eric loves, so I'm even happier that you turned it down. Piss him off. You know, a little suspension?
Yeah. I don't even have to add the comments. Eric will do it from the other side of the shop.
Still, with the peanut gallery in the corner. Hey, you shut up while I'm talking to him. You shut your lips when I'm talking to you.
No, why don't you shut your mouth talking to me?
Yeah,
Something like that.
something like that.
I'm not even sure where that conversation was going, to be honest.
It's,
Shut your mouth when you're talking to me.
don't worry about it. So you got the trans out, I got suspension out, we're doing clutch, doing some Ibach springs. Oh, your favorite spring compressor.
Yeah. It's getting there. It's coming along.
Cutting away, suffer the consequence of all the
Good job.
Thanks. Yeah, sorry, no enthusiasm.
You look like
It's gone for the day.
You look like you're having fun there for a while.
Yeah, fun.
Don't you wish the rears could be as easy as the fronts?
Always. You want to help me again?
Yeah, what do you want me to hold down?
Push up.
Push up.
Push up. Up more.
Let's see. Look at that. All right, you finish that up.
Okay.
I'm gonna end this episode.
Bye.
See everybody on Friday.